How to fix MacBook keyboard not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, tap on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and you will see the option for restart. So tap on the restart option you see there, and once your MacBook restarts, see if that helps you in fixing your issue, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your Mac, including the keyboard issues. See if that helps, and if not, then completely turn your MacBook off and then go ahead and use a compressed air to remove dust and debris from around the keys of your MacBook keyboard, and make sure to avoid using liquids directly on the keyboard and clean your keyboard. See if cleaning your keyboard helps you, and if not, then go ahead and open System Settings on your Mac and then tap on General and then on Software Update. Here, go ahead and install any available updates and restart your Mac, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If not, then you can test in safe mode. So start your Mac in safe mode and the keyboard, and if the keyboard works in safe mode, a third-party app or extension may be causing the issue. See if that helps, and if not, then open System Settings again and then go ahead and scroll down and navigate to the keyboard option and tap on it, and then make sure that slow keys is enabled, and make sure that slow keys and other accessibility keyboard features are turned off unless you need them. See if that helps, and if not, then go ahead and tap on the trackpad option you see there, or tap on the Touch ID and Password option and see if the Touch ID works or not. And if not, then you can remove and re-add your fingerprints and restart your Mac and test again and see if that helps. And if nothing fixes your issue, then you can try connecting a USB or Bluetooth keyboard and add in the external keyboard and see if the external keyboard works. And if yes, then the built-in keyboard may have a hardware problem. So you might need to contact Apple support for further assistance. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix MacBook keyboard not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.